Mistplay doesn't round your earned rewards after every action. Instead, your balance updates according to how the app tracks completed gameplay and reward events, so the total may look different than you expect at first. By the end of this video, you'll know why your Mistplay points can appear incorrect, how to check whether they're actually missing, and what to do if the balance still doesn't update. If your points seem lower than expected, start by checking whether the reward has actually finished processing. Mistplay tracks eligible gameplay and then updates your account after the required activity is recorded. That means the number you see immediately after closing a game isn't always your final balance. Next, look at your reward history inside the app. Compare the points that were added with the game session you just completed. If the reward appears in your history, the balance is usually correct, even if you expected a different total based on your own calculation. Now check that you're looking at the correct reward source. Some games award points only after specific milestones or tracked sessions instead of every minute you play. If a milestone hasn't been completed yet, the expected reward won't appear until the requirement is met. Reading the game's reward details inside Mistplay helps you confirm how that title is supposed to earn points. If the reward history doesn't show the completed activity, close Mistplay completely and reopen it. A fresh sync can refresh your account balance if the app was displaying cached information. You should also make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, so gameplay records can sync properly. If your balance still looks wrong after the reward should have been credited, collect evidence before contacting support. Take screenshots of your current points balance, the game's reward page, and any relevant gameplay progress. Include your account email, the game name, and a clear explanation of what you expected to receive when submitting a support request. Avoid uninstalling the app or creating multiple support tickets for the same issue, unless you're specifically instructed to do so. Keeping everything in one request makes it easier for the support team to review your account history. To sum it up, check your reward history first, confirm you've completed the required milestone, refresh the app, and contact Mistplay support with screenshots if the points still don't match your completed rewards. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes and troubleshooting tips for Mistplay and other reward apps.